Hey guys, Lon from ReveMoto, and today we are working on this 2018 Toyota RAV4 front bumper removal. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on push notification. And if you guys need this bumper already painted to color match your vehicle, all you gotta do is install yourself with the help of this video. Go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body part source, where we ship these bumpers already color matched the exact color of your vehicle. And all you gotta do is install yourself. Let's go ahead and get started on removing this front bumper. Alright, so on this one right here, go to the side of the bumper. So basically on the side of the bumper, I'm going to go ahead and take off this 10mm bolt, and just going to be a screwdriver type of, just like a push pin, plastic, and you just got to rotate it and then push it out. So let me show you guys how to do that. So on this bottom one right here, let's see, I think you turn it this way, and then just push it out like that. And this thing just comes off, and then right here is going to be a 10mm. So it's going to be a 10mm. So again, if you guys have a power tool, great. If not, a ratchet set will work also. So it's going to be a 10mm right there. Go ahead and take this off. Just like that. So this fender flare or molding, you can actually push it out like that. So on this side right here, all you gotta do is pull this out, right? And the bracket right here is coming off, but it's not supposed to be doing that. But I think this bracket is already broken. So all you do is pull the bumper out a little bit, and as you guys can see, this side comes off. But then you guys gotta have to go underneath and take off the rest of the bolts. Alright, so if you guys go underneath the bumper, as you guys can see, right here, it's gonna be a 10mm. Go ahead and take that off. Alright, so now follow along on the bottom of the bumper, and you'll take away, you're going to go ahead and take off the rest of the 10mm. This one right here. Then underneath here. You go all the way to the middle, and you see some more bolts. So as you guys can see, the bolts underneath gonna be on each corner, and then all the way on the bottom, and then on the corner. Alright, so now we got all the bottom part removed. We're gonna go ahead and move up top. So I'm not showing you guys how to take off this side, but basically it's just like this 10mm and that that push pin that was right here. But as you guys can see, this bumper is already broken. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and lift up the hood. All right, so if you guys go on top, you're gonna see there's gonna be a 10mm right here. There's gonna be a screw right here. There's gonna be a push pin right here, and this is gonna be a push pin right here, and then another screw right here, and then another 10mm. So this one, as you guys can see, it's just gonna be a Phillips screwdriver. There's gonna be one right there, and then one on the other side. Go ahead and take this one off. So, and show you guys, it's gonna be a Phillips like that. Take the other one off right here. Alright, so next one you're gonna need a flathead like this one. But you're gonna come in here and push up on this push pin. And this one's already broken. So basically, this push pin right here looks like this. And just push up on it like that. Same thing on this one. Like that. And then get this one out. So these just break easily, and all you gotta do is get those at the dealership. Alright, so the next one's gonna be right here. Those bolts right there, and then one right there. And now the bumper should be ready to take off. So again, the one thing I recommend is like just be careful when you guys are taking this off, because if you guys have fog lights, like this one doesn't have one, but there's gonna be a wire there you have to unplug. But since I don't have one, I should be good to go. But you go on one side, pull it right here, as you guys can see, it's already coming off because that one was already coming off. Hold on to it, and then so you guys can see, slowly pull it down because there's wires right here. That's why you don't like just yank it, because you have this wire right here. And then this one, you need a flathead. So it's gonna pull on the, push down on this tab right here. So if it's stuck like that, get a flathead. And you can push down on top of this, give you more leverage. Alright guys, that's how you take off a 2018 Toyota RAV4 front bumper. If you guys have any questions, comment down below and I'll answer all those questions for you. Thank you guys.